Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, seed beads and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. And today you will see how to crochet mesh cord with seed beads. And let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue. Make a chain for the transition part. Make 9 single crochet. Make single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. 1. Let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. My first row is ready. Continue working on my cord. Turn the work. Pull up the working loop. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook with seed bead. And insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop. I skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook with seed bead and insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop. I skip, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the stitch. This is the same stitch. Pull up a loop. Continue. Pull up a loop into the second stitch and pull up a loop with seed bead. I skip, insert the hook and pull up a loop and yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. In total it should be 5 of them. Here what I have at this point. Now I show you what I need to do the next. I remove the seed beads, yarn over the hook, pull through, then pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Pattern consists of 1 row and I will repeat this row. This is the preparation row. Then I will show you the row that I will repeat each time. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook, pull up a loop. I skip the stitch, pull up a loop into the second one. Pull up a loop. Pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, and pull up a loop. Pull up a loop, pull up a loop, and pull up a loop. I have got 5 seed beads. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop. The first and the last stitch will be a little bit bigger than usually. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have at this point. And now I show you how to crochet the row that I will repeat. I draw seed beads, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 1, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the same, pull up a loop, pull up a loop into the next stitch, and pull up a loop with yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull up a loop through the next one, and yarn over, pull up a loop. Here is my stitch. I insert the hook into 2 threads, pull up a loop. I do not pull it, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through first loop, 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 pull through 2 loops. And I will repeat one more time this row, and you should continue working with your own. You should repeat the previous row as many times as you need. Now I will repeat 1, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, then yarn over the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, and through the next one, yarn over the hook with same stitch, pull up a loop, pull up a loop through the next one, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. In total it should be 5 seed beads into each row. You should check yourself. My mesh is beautiful. Don't forget about the last one. Insert the hook into the last stitch, pull up a loop. I remove seed beads. Here what I have, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 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 pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. And here what I have at this point. So you should crochet as many rows as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete my cord. This is the back side, and it is front. Here how my cord looks like. And now I show you how to complete it. This is the mesh cord with seed beads. You can stop at any stage of your project, and you can just make the chain to secure the yarn and cut off the yarn. But in my case I show you how to complete my cord using single crochet stitches. Make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet, then insert the hook through the next loop, then single crochet and single crochet into the loop, then single crochet into the stitch and single crochet into the loop, single crochet into the stitch, 7 and 8, insert the hook into the last stitch. I do not finish the stitch. Pull up a loop into the next stitch, then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. To secure the yarn by making a chain, you can crochet one more row. I stop at this point. Let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. This is mesh cord with seed beads. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. For this project you just need to get seed beads, crochet hook and a ball of favorite color of yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It could be perfect to create belt, to make your look more personal. Also, you can use it like a bracelet. Also, you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew tools for accessories like a bracelet, necklace or choker. Or you can sew two sides together to create a round, but in your case it could be change kind of yarn to make your bracelet more stretchy. There are a lot of useful links in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit it and find interesting video tutorial for you. If you are beginners, you can find a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time and bye.